Good morning, Eastern Stars.
Today is Friday, January 19th, 2024. I'm Ashley.
I'm Mr. Cooper.
I'm Brady.
And I'm Madeline.
What's for lunch today?
There's no lunch today because it's a half day.
Oh, good announcement.
We have 2 birthdays today. Happy birthday to Janos and Mrs. Harwell's class and Freeman. We also have
Freeman?
Freeman?
It's Mrs. Freeman.
Mrs.
It's
Freeman.
Mrs. Freeman's birthday. Let's split these up.
We also have 6 birthdays over the weekend. Happy birthday to Saturday to Conrad and Mrs. Heights' class, Evan and Nicholas in Mrs. Edwardson's class.
Happy birthday on Sunday to Hudson and Mrs. Schenberger's class, and Sawyer and Mrs. Kirchmark's class, and
Mrs. Diane.
Mrs. Diane to the lunchroom. Make sure to say happy birthday to them when you see them in the hall.
Today is 14 degrees, but it feels like 2. That means outdoor recess.
Feels like +2. It's still kind of chilly, but we'll see you out there. 1 recess today. Oh, and so we have a few special guests. One that you all remember is Harper, and she has an announcement for our staff of the week.
Mr. Berg always has a smile on his face when he is serving food. He is always patient with kids. Mr. Berg is very polite when you ask for special requests. He jumped right into the job at Eastern and memorized everyone's name so fast. We love scrumdiddlyumptious food he serves us. We love you, Mr. Berg. In the lunchroom.
Yes, Mr. Berg in the lunchroom. Now, she doesn't have his certificate in hand, but this is what it looks like. Pretty cool certificate. Nice job, Mr. Berg, for being the staff of the week. We also have another special group, a special guests. These are members of the Recycling Club. Introduce yourselves, ladies.
I'm Isla. I'm Leighton. And I'm Kennedy.
And they have some reminders about recycling. Who's going first?
Recycling do's and don'ts. Lately, people have been putting trash and food in the recycling. So here's a list of things you cannot put in the recycling.
All right, these do not go in the recycling. What do we got?
Clorox wipes, food, drinks and clothing, recess materials,
And you want to say the
Invisalign
other?
or any dental supplies.
Don't put your Invisalign in the recycling. Okay, you wouldn't do that on
We
purpose,
found
I think.
some.
Oh no, you did?
Yeah.
Did you find the owners of them?
No.
No. Do you still have them?
No.
No. Okay, got it. What else does not go?
Retainer cases, chip and food wrappers with shiny foil inside, or Ziploc bags, paper towels, and napkins.
Or,
Wrappers.
all right, those are all the things that do not go in the recycling. Okay, what can we put?
Here's some quality things you can put in the recycling bin. Cardboard paper, styrofoam newspapers, mail, paper, shredded okay. Plain metal cans, plastic water bottles, and plastic containers.
Right. Who's reading that?
Those are do's and don'ts for recycling. I hope you enjoyed listening, and I hope you now know what to and not to recycle. Don't forget to be a star. Bye.
Right. Well, thank you very much. They did a great job with those reminders. That's a good reminder for me, too, of what can and cannot be recycled. All right. And we have sports announcements. Who's doing it?
And tonight, girls basketball have a home game at 7 p.m. And Trojans hockey plays at 7 p.m. at Howe Arena. Go Trojans!
All right, go Trojans. Shout outs.
Mrs. Silverio would like to give a shout out to Liam for helping her get the classroom set up and ready for each morning.
And a friendly reminder.
A friendly reminder from Miss Annalyn to please make sure you take care of your personal items and they are stored in your locker. This will help custodians at the end of the day.
In other words, clean up after yourselves. Don't leave your boots and your snow pants laying all over the place. Thank you for that, Mrs. Anlin. All right, that's all we got for today because we had so many announcements. We have a big crew to send us off.
That's all for today. Remember to be safe, trustworthy, attentive, and respectful. Be a star. Have a Freaky Friday. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.